In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gemini. We will walk through phones first, then finish on a computer, so follow along on whichever device you use. On Android or iPhone, start by opening your phone app store. On Android, look for the Google Play Store icon with the multicolor triangle. On iPhone, open the App Store icon with the blue background and white lines. When it opens, you should see a search bar at the top or bottom, along with featured apps on the main screen. Now, in the search bar, type Google Gemini. Spell Gemini as Gemini. After you start searching, you will see a list of apps appear under the bar. On many phones, matching results begin to show even before you press the search button. From there, select the official Gemini app from Google. Check that the developer name shows Google and that the app icon matches the Gemini logo you see in this video. If you see other apps with similar names, ignore them and only tap the one from Google. Once you have the right app selected, tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. The button will change to show a progress circle or a loading bar, and you may see the download percentage increase. On some connections, this might take a bit, so it is normal if you wait several seconds. After the download finishes, open the Gemini app. You can tap Open in the store page or tap the new Gemini icon on your home screen or in your app list. When it launches, you will see the Gemini welcome screen with a prompt area at the bottom and some example suggestions. If the app asks, sign in with your Google account, choose the account you want, or enter your email and password if it prompts you. Once you are signed in, your name or initial usually appears in the top corner, which tells you Gemini is now linked to that Google account on this phone. At this point, you can now type questions, use your voice, upload photos, or start a Gemini live conversation. Tap the text box to type. Tap the microphone if you want to talk instead, or look for the Gemini Live option if it is available in your region. When you send something, Gemini replies right under your message so you can scroll back through the conversation. Now let us switch to using Gemini on a computer. Open Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, or Edge. Any of these supported browsers will work, and the main window should show either your usual homepage or a blank new tab. In the address bar at the top, go to gemini.google.com. When the page loads, you will see the Gemini logo and a large box near the center where you can type. Click Sign In if you want to use your Google account. After you pick your account or sign in, you return to the main Gemini page, now personalized for you. Finally, enter your question in the text box and click Submit. Gemini will generate a response directly under the box, and you can keep asking follow-up questions in the same place. You have now found Gemini on your phone and computer and sent your first questions. So if this helped you get started, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear Gemini guides.